Welcome back, guys. Thanks to BeautyForever for sending this beautiful wig that we're about to open. Yes, let's get inside the box. Let's see what type of wig it is and all the details on the wig. We have some goodies, of course. Headband, wig cap, some nails. The wig is a 13x4 pre-everything here. Pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-plucked. The wig has double adjustable straps for better security. You can adjust it to your comfortable size, and it's kinky curly hair, so it's very soft, very natural African girl texture. I absolutely love this hair. When I tell you, for a curly hair, it is so soft, it is perfect. The hairline, it seems like you can just easily put it on, take it off. So we're gonna see once we go upstairs and do that, but the quality is amazing, and we can it's easy on, easy off. So the lace is already cut. We have the tabs for the hairs. Perfect, beginner friendly. You guys can just buy this wig, put it on, and style it to your liking. Alright guys, it's time to install. I went ahead and I showed you guys everything that I got in this hair. So thank you to BeautyForever here for sponsoring this video. This is a 20-inch kinky, yeah, kinky curl. I'm excited because the lace is already pre-bleached. This came in the bag. We added the strap to it. I'm happy that the strap is not black and it's the color of the inside of the wig. We do have a comb. Y'all know by now I love my wigs with a comb, at least at the back, okay? But look at these curls. Oh, the curl, the curl, the curl, the curl, the curl, the curl. I'm excited to install this wig. It's a center part. We're going to leave it at that because I want to show you guys how convenient this is for if the weather is hot. Like, we're in summer, spring, summer coming on, and you know the heat. The length is beautiful for that, okay? And if you're a person who is always busy like myself, like a parent, or you just got stuff to do, this wig is for you. Don't worry about curling it, none of that. I'm trying to see if I can slide this wig on my head without have to put on any cane or anything. Let's see. We just trying, girl. We just trying. We're gonna see if we can do that. So I'm gonna kind of slip my hair backwards like so, and I'm gonna add a cap. I did bring the caps up here. Where did I put them? Oh, it's in the bag. You guys know I've been working with BeautyForever here so much, and so many of you, oh Chrissy, I see you on the ads, the hair is beautiful, I got the wig, da 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 da. Yeah girl. Alright, let's put on one of these HD wig caps on the head. This is very easy for you guys. I just hope it will stay on my head without have to put any cornrows in it. That's what I am hoping, because you guys know I'm working on my edges, right? And in order to work on my edges, I have to kind of do my hair like this. So let's do a test. I'm gonna tell you guys something. One thing with BeautyForever here, the wig is gonna fit. The wig is gonna fit. Glueless with the ear-to-ear tabs, yeah, it's gonna fit. My only thing is I like, because they give you a little bit of extra lace, I like to cut that off on mine. So I'm gonna put it on the wig stand and we're gonna cut that off. But we're gonna let this hair falls, let it look juicy. It's straight out the pack, so we're gonna fix it up. We're gonna make it stand out, okay? But it's super snug. And look, I do have my hair behind this. I don't have the comb in it as yet. So we're gonna pull the comb down, slide it under. So it's very secure. And then you can draw the sides, but I'm not gonna do that. Because it's a curly hair, you will not see my bun around here. So I like this. Maybe if it was a straight, I would have to put some, you know, I would have to braid my hair. But you see, when we fix these, don't worry. It's gonna be so perfect. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take back the wig off. I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup to it. And some makeup to the cap itself. Let's add the makeup to the cap from now, because I be forgetting that I need to add a little bit of makeup to the cap. I don't want to add foundation. I'm just going to add a powder and keep it moving. Let's just add a powder, because I keep forgetting. So before I do anything else, let's do that. And then, like I said, I'm going to cut just a little bit of the lace off. See, that's perfect. Perfecto. I'm gonna also add some, even though it's pre-bleached. I am a very easy, simple person, so I know you can add your lace tint, anything you want to add. I ain't got time for that. So I'll just use a powder that matches my complexion and slide that bad boy on. And these lace are not stubborn anyway, so it's gonna be perfect. So we're gonna cut the, it's not even an inch. It's like literally piece, just a little bit. I'm just gonna cut that off. I personally like it like that, especially because I'm gonna wear it glueless. So we're gonna do that and I'll be back with the install. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back, girl. I'm definitely gonna clean around my hair just in case I feel like I want to use a little bit of spray. But I really like the option with the ear tabs. It's a slide on, slide off option. So we're going to go back with adding the wig to the head. I'm going to also pull the band a little bit closer so it's a little bit more snug. Always pull your band down. That way the wig is more comfortable on the head. Look at that. We're going to pull these off, put them down. We're going to do the same with this. Before we get into that, we're going to finesse the edges so it have that realistic look. So we're going to go in with some mousse. That's the trick. We're going to add some mousse. I'm wondering if I should use the Shine and Jam. No. I'm going to use the Nairobi. Hold on. Hold on.
Treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you.
Alright guys, we are done for now. I am definitely gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. I went ahead and added a little bit more mousse. Now it looks all natural. And then I cut the front a little bit because it was too much in my face. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then I will be back. It's given, you know, it's given. Yeah, so let's go do this makeup. Let's go pretty up and then we'll be back. So give me a second. I like it. All I did was added the mousse and the water to it, and then I just used the blow dryer for a little bit, and that's that. Ooh. All right, y'all, this is it. So cute. I love it. I love it. Hairline. Oh, yes, Chrissy. Come on, BeautyForever here. There we go. I am in love. Let me show you guys. A matter of fact, you can do an updo. You can pin up this hair. But guess what? It's perfect like this. We might have some in the back that's longer. But BeautyForever, you did that. Ooh. The back is snug. Okay. Okay. So this is the hair. Everything will be in the description. This length is a 20-inch, so you can get the same length. You can get it longer. I recommend this length because I like how it sits on my shoulder. I did cut the front a little bit just so it just kind of, you know, give you that vibe. Love it. Thanks again to BeautyForever here for sending us this beautiful unit. Everything will be in the description. The wig fits perfect. It's stretchable. I think it will fit your head no matter what the size is. And all we add was some mousse. The hair tabs are down. They ain't going nowhere. Okay? Yeah, so I really like the unit. I'm gonna wear this. So thanks again. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again to BeautyForever here. All the links will be in the description. You can check out other wigs if you wish. This exact wig will be there as well. So make sure you use the code and save some money too, because child, you're gonna be saving. You hear me? Let's get to the cute part. I'll see you guys.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done biting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling.